Thule 665C Transporter Combi Hitch-Mount Cargo Box. Ideal storage solution for vehicles. The Thule 665C Transporter Combi Hitch-Mount Cargo Box is an ideal storage solution for vehicles that have either a pre-installed 2-inch or 1 1/4-inch hitch receiver. Stowing your gear at the rear end at an easily accessible height. The Transporter Combi contains 13 cubic foot storage capacity, holds 150 pounds of gear and utilizes a pin handle mechanism that quickly and safely tilts the box down, allowing for access to the rear of your vehicle. This is a demo of VoiceText TTS. Additional features include locking functionality at the box lid, a license plate adapter, pre-wired tail lights, and durable UV-resistant construction. Designed for long-haul vacations, beach supplies, tailgate parties, or for whenever you need to carry lots of gear. The handsome Thule 665C Transporter Combi Hitch-Mount Cargo Box is fully compatible with both 2-inch and 1 1/4-inch receiver hitches and sports a whopping 13 cubic foot load capacity. This translates to up to 150 pounds of gear. It is also guaranteed to keep all your gear dry, regardless of the weather conditions. Full featured performance and easy access. Offering all the features of a roof-mounted cargo box, but at a level that makes all your cargo easily accessible. It allows you to stop carrying a step stool or use the side door opening as a platform to reach items. The Transporter Combi also doesn't keep you from gear stowed in the back of your vehicle, as with the removing of a tethered pin and the lifting of a handle that leans back. Allowing access to the rear opening of the vehicle. Other features include rugged, UV-resistant construction and pre-wired tail lights. This is a demo of the VoiceText English TTS system. Lastly, the Transporter includes a license plate adapter for the rear of the box and all the necessary components for easy assembly and installation. During the time original retail purchaser owns the product. This warranty terminates if a purchaser transfers the product to other person. Thule was founded in 1942 by the Thule family. The extension of storage space allows us to have so much more room in our Explorer. The Thule does come with a great feature that allows it to tilt back so you can open the hatch to your SUV. The excellent Hardshell waterproof cargo box. It works great. To purchase Thule Transporter Combi Hitch-Mount Cargo Box, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.